Torre Sr. was home for the holidays thanks to an order issued by Judge Michael Bordallo on Christmas Eve that lifted a stay-away order between the father and son. As we previously reported, Mark Torre Sr. is the father of murder suspect former police officer Mark Torre Jr. Earlier this year, Torre Jr. was arrested for the shooting death of longtime GPD officer Albert Piolo. According to 911 calls, the victim indicated he was shot in the chest and that Torre Jr. was with him. Torre Jr. was later released on bail with pretrial conditions that included he stay away from his father, a police lieutenant who was at the scene of the crime, the Torre's family home in Jigo. The pending case forced Torre Sr. to move out of the Jigo home, subjecting the family to additional financial burdens. Although the Attorney General's office declined to comment further on the case, a statement of materiality was filed by Chief Prosecutor Philip Tidinko on Christmas Eve. The document outlines the significance of Torre Sr.'s testimony in the upcoming murder trial. Torre Sr. is a witness to the dying declarations of the victim. Torre Sr. is a precipient witness to the 911 calls made by the victim. Torre Sr. was a witness to Piolo's death. As father of the accused, Torre Sr. would have a natural bias. Torre Sr. was the highest-ranking police officer when police responded to the crime scene and also the commander of the Dededo precinct who responded to the 911 call. Body cams showed Torre Sr. speaking to various officers and the defendant in private. Torre Sr. is a potential witness. Torre Sr. accompanied his son to Naval Hospital and was with the defendant until the time he was arrested. Torre Sr.'s testimony is part of the 1,200 pages of discovery related to the case. And lastly, Torre Sr.'s testimony will be material to the defendant's actions, conduct, and mental state before, during, and after the incident, as well as those of the victim. As we reported, it was too little too late for the AG's office, who only last week contacted Torre Sr. to schedule an interview for the first week of January, despite the police lieutenant's prior offers to cooperate these last few months. Attorney Thomas Fisher, who represents the elder Torre, declined to comment. Attorney Jay Areola, who represents Torre Jr., also declined to further comment. Torre Jr.'s next court appearance is a pre-trial conference set for January 28, while jury trial and selection is scheduled for February 8. Reporting for Guam's News Network, I'm Crystal Paco.